In a significant development for the automotive industry, Stellantis is preparing to introduce an unprecedented entry into the American pickup truck market, the Ram 700, with a projected starting price of $15,000. This announcement comes at a crucial time when average pickup truck prices have reached historic highs, with most base models starting above $35,000. In this video, we'll explore how Stellantis plans to achieve this aggressive price point while meeting US safety and regulatory requirements, and what this means for both commercial and private consumers in the current market. Market context and positioning. The American pickup truck market has undergone dramatic changes over the past decade. Full-size trucks like the Ram 1500, Ford F-1500, and Chevrolet Silverado have evolved into luxury vehicles, with top trim models regularly exceeding $80,000. This upward price trend has created a significant void in the market for affordable utility vehicles. While the Ford Maverick attempted to address this gap with its $22,000 starting price, there remains substantial demand for even more affordable options. Stellantis' decision to introduce the Ram 700, essentially a rebranded and upgraded version of the Fiat Strada, represents a bold move to capture the entry-level segment of the pickup market. This strategy mirrors the successful introduction of the Ram ProMaster, which adapted the European Fiat Ducato for American commercial needs. Design. The Ram 700's design philosophy represents a fundamental departure from current American pickup trends. Its compact dimensions, a 107.7-inch wheelbase and 174-inch overall length, make it significantly smaller than the Ford Maverick's 200-inch length. This size difference isn't merely about numbers. It represents a completely different approach to utility vehicle design that prioritizes maneuverability and urban practicality over traditional pickup truck proportions. The exterior design successfully balances utility with modern aesthetics. While maintaining its Fiat Strada origins, the Ram 700 incorporates distinctive Ram design elements, particularly in its front fascia. The truck features a clean, contemporary design with well-proportioned body panels and character lines that give it a professional appearance despite its budget positioning. Higher trim levels offer LED headlights, fog lamps, and 16-inch alloy wheels that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. The availability of both single and double cab configurations sets the Ram 700 apart in the American market. The single cab variant offers a class-leading 5.6-foot bed length, exceeding even what most mid-size trucks provide. This configuration is particularly appealing for businesses that prioritize cargo capacity over passenger space. The double cab version, while limited to a 3.6-foot bed, offers a versatile compromise between passenger and cargo capacity, making it suitable for both commercial and personal use. Interior and technology. Despite its budget-friendly positioning, the Ram 700's interior showcases remarkable attention to detail and thoughtful design. The cabin architecture incorporates distinctive Italian design elements while maintaining a focus on durability and functionality. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with controls positioned for easy access, and storage solutions are abundant throughout the cabin. In the double cab configuration, the interior dimensions provide adequate space for adult passengers in both rows. The front seats offer good support for daily driving, while the rear bench can accommodate adults comfortably for shorter trips. The seat materials, while clearly chosen with durability in mind, maintain a pleasant appearance and feel. The driving position is more car-like than traditional trucks, contributing to better maneuverability in urban environments. The technology package is surprisingly comprehensive across all trim levels. The base SLT trim includes features that would be optional extras in many competitors: a 7-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 4-speaker audio system, air conditioning, and multiple USB ports for device connectivity. The system's interface is user-friendly with responsive touch controls and clear graphics. Performance. The powertrain strategy for the US market represents one of the most significant upgrades planned for the Ram 700. While the Mexican market version employs a 1.3-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine producing 99 horsepower and 95 pound-foot of torque, the American version is expected to receive a more powerful option. The likely candidate is Fiat's proven 1.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, previously used in various North American Fiat models. This engine choice is particularly interesting because it offers multiple potential tuning configurations. In previous applications, it has produced anywhere from 135 to 160 horsepower and 150 to 183 pound-foot of torque. The final output for the Ram 700 will likely be optimized to balance performance with fuel efficiency, possibly targeting an EPA rating of over 30 miles per gallon highway to maintain a competitive advantage in the segment. Capability and practicality. The Ram 700's capabilities challenge preconceptions about what a compact pickup can achieve. While its current towing capacity of around 1,000 pounds might seem modest, the anticipated powertrain upgrade could significantly improve this figure. More impressively, its payload capacity of 1,580 pounds exceeds both the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz in front-wheel drive configurations, making it an exceptionally capable hauler for its size. The bed design deserves special mention. In the single cab configuration, the 5.6-foot bed length offers utility that's currently unavailable in the compact pickup segment. The bed includes multiple tie-down points, bed liner options, and thoughtful features like integrated steps for easier access. Even the shorter 3.6-foot bed in the double cab version has been carefully designed to maximize usability, with various storage solutions and configuration options available. Challenges and market entry. The path to US market entry presents several significant challenges that Stellantis must address. The most pressing concern is safety compliance. The current one-star rating from the Latin American New Car Assessment Program indicates substantial work is needed to meet US safety standards. This will require structural reinforcements, additional airbags, and the integration of advanced driver assistance systems, including blind spot detection and lane support systems. Pricing strategy will be crucial to the Ram 700's success. While the Mexican market version starts at approximately $15,000, meeting US safety standards and market expectations will inevitably increase costs. However, if Stellantis can maintain a starting price below $20,000, the Ram 700 would still represent an unprecedented value proposition in today's market. Market impact and future prospects. The introduction of the Ram 700 has the potential to fundamentally reshape the American pickup truck market. Its combination of affordability, practicality, and compact dimensions addresses growing market needs that current offerings have left unfulfilled. The vehicle's focus on commercial functionality and value could create an entirely new market segment, potentially influencing other manufacturers to develop similar offerings. That's all for today's comprehensive look at the Ram 700. The vehicle's introduction to the US market represents a bold move by Stellantis to redefine what's possible in the pickup truck segment. While challenges remain, the potential impact on the American automotive landscape cannot be understated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.